Hello guys, today I am going to be like role playing as a teacher. With only in my mom's apartment for her like stuff that she sells. But this isn't like I don't know how to do it. And they don't have stuff. I only have a marker and paper. Just
Ay!
let's
Lia, kasuyo nga ako, be.
okay. That was just something. Oh, it's labubus. You didn't see those. I have 3 labubus. Labubu packages. I'm gonna go here. You see that? That's my mom's. Visible. We're here. I'm here. So we are gonna get some stuff. No, wait. Holly.
Mama, please. Mama, please. Lalamog. Sino ba si kaso nun? Mama, please.
Okay. So, I get it. Wait, I just use this. I got Yes, Chinatown. I got it from like, where was it? Thailand.
May donut dun, ha?
It's Encore edition, which I didn't get the
Again.
Encore edition. I got the throwback edition. I got Suga. I lost RM. Yeah. May pimple. Ang daming pimple nito. We're gonna use this. Exactly. Kanina pa. What?
Bread. You want bread?
No. Kumain na po ako. Ano kagaw at... Okay. I did.
Because you
Uy, dami to buy chocolate.
Because you ano makulit. Well, ano, ah?
We're gonna do it. First, I see
Parang ako, tape.
a pen.
Laki.
I also found a classroom.
Bakit plastic?
Yes,
Kaya ako fish king kuha mo ko tag-isa ka.
fish skin.
Tag-isa dahil.
Okay. I don't like fish skin. Fish skin.
Wait lang, Lia.
Fish skin daw sabi ni Mami. Ano yung fish skin?
Ito.
Dalawa na.
Dalawa ba?
Mami. Mami.
Tape. Ano naman tape? Ang pakong tape. Wala pa ba na ano? Sabi nila lang sa likod. Hindi mo kaya?
Bayan.
Ang pakong tape. Wala. Kaya ka makalit.
Here. Hello. This is my classroom. Is messy.
Uy, isa yan ang sabi niya.
But it's not
Ano
classroom.
Ano sabi?
I'm finding stuff.
Tapos po yung isang ganito.
Kasi-
Marina Bideds.
Gusto niya yung margin ng bilis. Sabi ko, mamaya lang na lang. Mas ba? Ay daw niya. Tapos mali na nabigay na ano kasi hindi naman natin nakuha yung diba. Kung hindi ko
Can I have paper?
Doon
Ma?
sayang ko naman yung panamang.
Paper.
Sorry, ma'am. Gusto niyo po
Mami.
makapag-control sa laptop.
Ma,
Okay, ma'am.
we found worksheets.
Malapit na Teacher's Day. Ako magbibigay ng regalo ko kayo. Kay LA mo.
Sige.
Ah!
Abot.
Ouchie!
Tapos kunwari sa'yo galing yun ah. Babalot ka isa ya. Pasado ka dun.
Ay, ha? Nahihilo na ako.
Gawa naman si Mami.
Wala, hindi na save yung picture.
Pwede ko ito gamitin?
Hindi na picture. Nahihilo na ako.
Hindi ba yan yung umuulan naka-helmet? May picture ka ng rider?
Meron nga.
Excuse me po.
Is that problem here?
Nahilo ako kay Julian. Nahilo ako kay Julian kasi pabalik-balik siya ng jacket. Tapos sabi niya, may mag-previous ba si Ma'am Lion?
Advertisements.
Pinababalik ko sila pa para sa picture.
Picture ng rider? Makakunya tayo sa ano, diba?
If you feel so happy.
Ako may tips na ako kay Jim.
Wala siyang picture doon sa lalong
Ayun yung picture ko. Sabi Shayna, sabi niya eh.
It doesn't work.
Anak ko na kagabi pa.
Wala siyang mukha doon?
Wala.
Look! Ano ba yung picture?
Sige, sana.
Hinahanap ako kumakain sa akin. Uy, Leo. Don't like? Ano pa mga pahabol ni ano?
Yeah, I think that's it. Bye-bye.